Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a penguin. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, let's start over here on the page right about here. And we're going to draw a big curving line up like this. It's kind of like a half circle. Okay, now starting here, let's go. We're gonna go up. Take your time. And back down. This is the penguin's head shape. Now let's draw one of the penguin's wings connected to the head. Here, we'll start over here, and down here we're going to draw a curved line that hooks back up and stops about here. Okay, here we go. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now let's do the same on the other side. Here, the other wing. Starting about here at the end of the head shape, a curved line that hooks back around. And stops. Okay, now we're going to draw the rest of the body, and it's a big U-shaped line like this that wraps all the way around. And we're going to start here at the end of the wing, and we're going to go up, and then we're going to go back down. Ready? This is a really long line. That's the penguin's body. All right, we're starting to look like a penguin now. So let's go and draw one of the penguin's eyes right about here. So kind of this side of the head shape, we're just going to draw a circle right here. And let's do the same on the other side, right about here, leaving space, another circle. Now inside those circles, let's draw a smaller circle for the highlight. And the same on the other side. And now let's color it in black. Okay, now in between the two eyes, let's draw the beak. So we're just going to start about here and do a curved line up like this for the top of the beak. And then on one of the ends, we're going to do a V-shaped line like this, down and then back up and connect it to the other side. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now we're going to draw the inside masking shape that separates the two colors of the penguin, the black body and the white belly. And it's going to go up like this and around and stop. Okay, that's the mask that goes around the eye. So starting here at the top of the beak, we're going to go up and wrap around. And then stop right about there. And now let's do the same on the other side. Like this. Starting at the top of the beak, we're going to go up and then back down like that. Okay, here At this point of the bottom of the mask, we're going to do the belly mask down like this. It's a curving line and it stops right about here at the bottom of the belly. So here we go. This is a long line. Like that. And now let's do the same on the other side. Down like this, curving line. Like that. Okay, now let's draw the penguin's feet. So starting here at the bottom of the belly, we're going to do 3 looping lines like this. 1, 2, 3, because this penguin has 3 toes. So starting right here, let's draw a curved line that hooks back around. Like that. One here. That. And then one more that connects back to the body. And let's do the same on the other side. One here, and one here. Wow! Your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm going to color my penguin a dark gray with a white belly, but you can color your penguin any color you want. This color is kind of like a light yellow, very light yellow, but it almost looks like white, doesn't it? Okay, now we'll do kind of an orange for the beak and the feet. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.